Ensuring tactical development actually supports strategic employment is a classic organizational challenge. Teams get very good at doing things right, but drift away from doing the right things. Fixing that requires deliberate alignment mechanisms, not just good intentions. Here are the most effective ways to make that alignment real and sustained. 1. Translate strategy into concrete, testable objectives. High-level strategy is usually too vague for tactical teams. Break it down into specific outcomes using frameworks like OKRs, objectives and key results, or strategy maps. Strategy: expand into new markets. Tactical translation: launch 3 pilot programs in X region with defined revenue and adoption targets. If teams can't clearly explain how their work ties to a measurable objective, alignment is already slipping. 1. Create a clear line of sight for every team. Every team and individual should be able to answer, how does what I'm working on contribute to strategic priorities? This often means cascading goals downward, mapping projects to strategic pillars, regularly reviewing that mapping. Without this, tactical work becomes activity-driven instead of outcome-driven. 1. Build tight feedback loops between strategy and execution. Alignment isn't set once, it drifts constantly. You need structured feedback cycles, monthly or quarterly reviews tied to strategy, data-driven performance tracking. Willingness to adjust tactics or strategy. Conceptually, this reflects principles from management by objectives. Continuous alignment between goals and execution. 1. Prioritize ruthlessly and visibly. Misalignment often comes from too many tactical initiatives competing for attention. Limit active priorities. Kill or pause work that doesn't map to strategy. Make trade-offs explicit. If everything is a priority, strategy is meaningless. 1. Align incentives and performance metrics. People optimize for how they're evaluated, not what leadership says. Tie KPIs directly to strategic outcomes. Avoid metrics that reward activity over impact. Ensure cross-functional goals to prevent silo behavior. Misaligned incentives are one of the fastest ways to undermine strategy. 1. Strengthen cross-functional coordination. Strategy often spans multiple departments, but tactics live in silos. Use shared planning sessions. Establish cross-team ownership of strategic initiatives. Encourage transparency in roadmaps. This reduces duplication and conflicting efforts. 1. Communicate strategy repeatedly and concretely. One announcement isn't enough. Strategy needs to be reinforced in meetings, embedded in decision-making, referenced in prioritization discussions. Leaders should consistently connect tactical decisions back to strategic intent. 1. Empower decision-making at the right level. If every tactical decision requires top-level approval, alignment slows. If everything is decentralized, alignment breaks. Balance by defining guardrails, what must align with strategy, giving teams autonomy within those boundaries. 1. Use scenario planning and adaptability. Markets change. Strategy evolves. Tactical development must be flexible enough to adjust without chaos. Organizations that treat strategy as static tend to drift the most. 1. Audit alignment regularly. Do periodic checks. Are current projects still tied to strategic goals? Are resources allocated accordingly? Are there legacy initiatives no longer relevant? This prevents slow, unnoticed drift. Bottom line, alignment happens when strategy is specific, visible, measured, and enforced through systems, not just communicated. The real lever isn't better plans, it's building structures that continuously connect daily work to long-term direction.